Hi, fellows, and welcome back. Are you ready for some magical Excel shortcuts? Let's see how many of you know how to copy and paste simultaneously in Excel. Different, isn't it? Let's try it today. So I will demonstrate here 4 different ways whereby we can simultaneously copy and paste in Excel. So this is kind of a magical trick. So let's start with Control plus D, which means that we press Control plus D and we get the outcomes. So Control plus D copies and pastes downwards in one quick shortcut. So there are 2 different actually possible scenarios, and I'm going to illustrate both of them to you. So let's start with our first scenario. So I will put an A here, and now I will press Control D, and it will copy and paste actually downwards. Control D. There you go. So you see, if I press again here, Control D, it copy pastes at the same time. Now, I will demonstrate the same here. Again, the function is the same, Control plus D, the keys, but I've selected multiple cells here, Control plus D, and you can see the data has been pasted. So I'll repeat here that Control plus D copies and pastes downwards in one quick press of Control and D. Now I'll move to Control plus R. It does the same thing, except it does it to the right instead of down. So in Control plus D, it was copying downwards. In Control plus R, it will copy on the right side. So let's take some sample data here. For example, this one. I press it, select empty cells and the cells that are on the left side, and I'll press Control R. And you see all the data has been copy pasted at the same time by pressing Control and R only. So by now, you know 2 different tricks and 3 different dimensions of using this Control and R and D to copy and paste at the same time. Let's move on to autofill. So this is, I'm pretty sure that most of you are pretty much aware of this. Just simply go to the corner, see this plus sign that you see on the screen, and then drag it down, and it will follow automatically downwards. So the cells that you drag down to, it will fill the data till that extent. So it's another copy and paste simultaneously. So Control plus Enter. So this is kind of a, a key that selects all and then copy paste at the same time. You don't have to do anything here. No key to be pressed here is just a drag and drop. So this is more of a mouse trick rather than the keyboard shortcut. Now let's move on to Control plus Enter. Now this is a little interesting. Control plus Enter. This is kind of the same thing but in a different way. So we'll use it with our mouse by selecting the cells that we want to put data onto. Now we will type some data. Let me try to type. So I tried to type. Now I would like to paste it all in the cells that are selected now. So you can see it is still active. The cell is still active in active mode. I will simply hit Control and Enter, and it will copy paste at the same time in all these cells that you see on the screen. Control and Enter. There you go. That was quick. So this is another shortcut key, but in this way you type and then you manipulate the cells that are selected. I will repeat it for you guys so that you can see. For example, I select a little more than what I selected before. Now I will type A here, and I would like to paste it all across the cells which are selected. Remember, we have to press Control and Enter. That is it. And we get the data down till the selection of our cells. So guys, these were a few of the magical tricks to learn how we can quickly copy paste at the same time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, anything you would like to share further with myself or with the audience, please use the comment section and share your ideas. I look forward to speak to you again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.